In this video, we'll show you how to set up and manage the new Option List Radio Buttons custom fields in AuctionWorx 3.6. Let's see how to set up the new custom field type called Option List Radio Buttons, which allows sellers to choose specific values while creating listings or lots. To do this, go to the Admin Control Panel Auctions, Lot Custom Field, and create a custom field name body. While creating the field, select Option List Radio Buttons as the custom field type, then save it. After saving, a link will appear to add options to this field. Click the link and enter the options you want to provide. This custom field will now appear under the Additional Details section on both the Create Lot and Edit Lot pages. Sellers will be able to select one value from the list defined by the admin. Once saved, the selected custom field value will be displayed on the Lot Details page. Thank you for watching.